Traders, NAS100. Alright, scrunch it up. That's a bullish trend, clearly. But we are seeing this a fairly deep pullback here. A couple of things about this. Let's open it up and I'll show you what I'm looking at. If we look left at the current level, price level, and we go right back here. These highs, lows, okay, support, well, it wiggled through here, point of control through here possibly. Support, whatever. Support. It's a big level. I guess that's what I'm getting at. Have a look at it on the daily. All right. So on a daily, that's most important, higher time frame. This is a level where this has reacted numerous times. So I'm expecting this to do more of the same, to react around this level, bullish. The other thing about this is it's taken out, what are we on, the 4-hour time frame? A ton of liquidity that's sitting under here by sell stops, okay, sell side liquidity under these lows here. And I mean, it's hit it with a vengeance. It's soaked up anything that's resting here. It has to react from that. So what's happening? Are the algos deliberately forcing it down so that smart money gets a discount? Is that what's going on? Possibly. It's just a theory. It's just an idea. That's what I'm seeing and what I believe is going on. And I really think this is going to react off this level based on that. Okay, combination of liquidity and the fact that this is an institutional level insofar as it's traded to this level on the daily time frame numerous times, and it's overextended, well and truly overextended. So we have this price range. Let me just grab that. We got this low here to this high. Right, so this is a trading range. Let me just grab that. Trading range blue, that'll do. We'll mark it up as such. And it's in a bullish trend on the higher time frame. I mean, obviously you can see that. So it's actually pushed right down into a discounted zone. There's the equilibrium there of this previous range. And I'm talking about that range from low to high. Pulled into equilibrium. If we pick up a Fibonacci, retrace, low to high, it's moved into the 50 to 61.8. So in a bullish trend, I'm always going to be looking at that price swing low to high, retrace into this level for a possible buy. The only thing with this is that it's moved with a vengeance beyond the 61.8 slightly, and if it heads a bit lower, you just want to be really careful with this. Now, I wouldn't be selling at that level. I'd be looking to buy on the condition that, let's go down to a 1-hour chart. Even a 30-minute, 1 hour will do. Only if that, have a look at this. We've traded into, see this value area back in here. So, you could argue that that would be, a support zone, okay? And the liquidity that's under these lows that's been hit, taken out, I'm thinking this will possibly rally off this level. But you don't want to speculate. So what I want to see happen with this would be, it ranges, so I want to see it land and hold and range sideways. Then you want to see the volatility kick in, fake out, shake out, trade off with speed, retrace into the imbalance, right? And that's the idea. So that's an idea, okay? Only based on if this range develops and then we see a break of market structure bullish, then that would be a potential opportunity to get long on the retest and fail of the high, something like that, the break of market structure. That's what I'm looking at, guys. Can it roll over and continue further south? Absolutely it can. So this idea is only valid if it holds and we see the break of structure bullish. I hope you understand what I'm saying. The range, the break of the range, and it starts to, higher highs and higher lows kick in. Right? And that's the only reason why I would get long with that. There is a bearish scenario to this, and the bearish scenario would have to be, look, I probably wouldn't even entertain that at the moment, guys. I'll just stick with this for now, and then we'll just see how it shapes up. That's my my take on the NAS100. Don't speculate. Wait for this setup. Wait for the breakout, and then there's an idea. So I mean, I hope you gained some value from the video. It's short and sweet. The message is pretty clear, and I'd love to hear your comments on this. So definitely leave a comment. With that, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and see you in the next one.